Hey, what is going on guys, Ben here. Today I'm super excited to be checking out the brand new AirPod Pros. So without further ado, let's just jump right on into it. Alright, so let's start off by taking a look at what comes inside the box. So inside we get the AirPods fast charging wireless case, some extra different sized silicone tips, a charging cable, although one thing to note is it has a USB-C end, meaning you'll need a proper charging brick for it, and finally inside the case, the AirPod Pros themselves. Now the case the AirPods come in this year are slightly larger than the one last year. It's basically similar in size except for it's stretched a little bit and it now opens sideways instead of vertically, but this case will give you the same 24-hour battery life that you get with the old model, and now it'll fast charge the AirPods, meaning you can get an hour of use in about 5 minutes of charging. The AirPods themselves are overall a little bit smaller than last year's model. They're shorter in stem but bigger at the top given that silicone tip, but they still come in that glossy white casing that we all know and love from last year's model. Although there's still no black model, which I'm hoping Apple will eventually release. I really want a pair of matte black AirPods, although I know they will get lost easily. So what does the $50 price hike from the AirPod 2s actually get you with this model? Well, for starters, these use a silicone tip rather than a uniform design. So these are much more comfortable and have a lot more customizability in terms of getting a good fit in your ear, since you can change to any of the 3 included tips, and they all conform slightly to the actual shape of your ear canal. These headphones also feature a new force button on the side rather than an accelerometer tap like last year's, which allows for more fine control of the headphones. Now, a single tap pauses or answers calls, a double click skips to the next audio track, and a triple click rewinds a track. But holding that button actually triggers the big new feature with this year's AirPods Pro, and that is active noise canceling. Basically, what this means, in case you don't know what active noise cancellation is the AirPods use a series of both inward-facing and outward-facing microphones to actually listen to the audio around you, and then the headphones will actively play a reverse frequency of whatever they hear in the surroundings, which essentially will negate the sounds around you. Now this doesn't really work for like sudden frequencies like you'll hear with talking or music, but it works incredibly well with droning sounds from anything from an airplane engine, or I use these on the subway and they're fantastic. But basically any constant noise, these headphones will block out entirely. Now I found that these work almost as good as the Bose QC35s, which I've used forever and are basically best in class in terms of active noise cancellation. And the fact that these are so small and I can just slip these in my pocket and bring them everywhere, it makes it so nice to now have that feature with me all the time, because I don't always travel with my big Bose headphones, and so now I'm super excited to have this with me everywhere I go. In fact, what's really nice with these, and I couldn't really do with the Bose headphones, is sometimes I'd want to listen to music or block out sound when I'm trying to go to sleep, and with the big Bose headphones it's kind of be hard to lie down, but since these are such low profile and sit inside your ear, I can lie down both on an airplane or in bed with these headphones, and they don't really bother my ear if I lie down on my side. And these headphones also pack another neat feature. If you're in active noise cancellation mode and you press and hold that side button, it'll switch to a transparency mode. Now basically this is an active pass-through mode where they will amplify your surroundings while still providing a little bit of sound cancellation, but they essentially make it so that you can hear what's going on around you while you're listening to your music and you're kind of blocking out those extraneous noises. This is very useful if you want to kind of hear conversations going on around you, or if there's an announcement on an airplane, something like that. Now on top of all of these new features, these Pro headphones also offer an improved sound quality in comparison to the old AirPod 2s. They offer a lot more bass due to a bigger newly redesigned driver and a new amplifier inside these headphones. And that's really all there is to the new AirPod Pros. I would 100% recommend these AirPods over the old ones, because that $50 price boost gets you so many features, from active noise cancellation, better sound quality, and many more. They're definitely expensive at $250, but I think they are right now best in class on the market, and they definitely warrant that huge price tag. Anyway, that has been my unboxing and review of the brand new AirPod Pros, and taking a look at them compared to the old AirPod 2s and my Bose QC35s. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also comment down below letting me know what you thought. And if you want to catch more videos like this in the future, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyway, with that, thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch you all later.